Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Audubon Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this new Toyota Sienna XSE technology. Now the most notable features on this technology is its power moonroof. You also have your blind spot monitoring and your heated front seats. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this new Toyota Sienna XSE technology. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this XSE technology is its daytime running lights, and then if we take a closer look just over on the side, you will find your parking sensors and your 20-inch aluminum alloy wheels, foldable mirrors, as well as your heated mirrors. And then taking a look on the inside of the mirror, you'll find your blind spot monitoring indicator. Now with that indicator, it'll actually light up just learning if there is another vehicle right beside you. You have the power sliding rear doors, so if you take a closer look, you have the second row captain seats. And you have the sunshade visors in the second row windows, just so you can block out some of that sun. Up top, if you take a look, you will find your DVD player as well. One of the nice things added into the new Siennas is that you have this handle that basically goes from the top to the bottom, making access into the vehicle a little bit easier for people to actually get in and out. Now your close button will be just located just underneath that bottom piece of the handle there. And one of the nice things that you do have the jam protection feature. So when the door does senses there's an obstruction in the way, it'll stop opening up. Now the other nice thing is that if you want to actually close the door from the outside, you can use the handle or you can use the kick assist feature. So if you take a look down below, there's that little icon there. If you just kick underneath the side there, it'll actually close the door for you automatically. Now this works in conjunction with your smart key system, so you'll want to make sure you have the key fob on you at all times in order to utilize this feature. And the color we're going to be taking a look at today is black, and taking a closer look just at the front dash as well as the front seats. You have your leather interior, power driver's seat with lumbar support, automatic high beams, heated steering wheel, and then you have the traction control on and off. Mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your scroll function, Bluetooth connectivity, volume control, voice recognition. You have your cruise control, lane departure alert, mode select, and seek function. Now it does offer the push button start, so all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Taking a look at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on there. So you have a digital speedometer, distance to empty, fuel economy. You can also go through and take a look at your compass, audio. You also have the trip info, energy monitor, tire pressure monitoring, settings menu with the lane trace assist, pre-collision system, blind spot monitoring on and off, parking sensors on and off, rear cross traffic alert, and a couple of other additional features. And you'll finish with your messages menu. Now as you can see, you also have an exterior temperature gauge as well as a digital clock. And taking a look at the center dash area, as you can see, you have your split screen view for the home screen. And then when you go into the menu controls here, you'll find your destination audio phone as well as a couple of other additional features. It does offer the Sirius XM satellite radio. And then if you go inside the apps menu, it's part of the Entune app suite, so as long as you have it on your phone, you can use such apps as the Slacker app, which allows you to stream your music from your phone onto the touch panel display. You can also check on local fuel prices or on the latest sports scores, just depending on what your preferences are. You have your temperature control settings located down below for the rear temperature controls and your dual zone climate control. Heated seat controls for your driver and your passenger. USB just located on the inside there, and you have the wireless charging pad as well. So once you have it turned on, you can just place your phone on top and have it start charging for you. You have this little shelf here where you can place smaller items, matted to an automatic transmission with your EV and drive mode. As you can see with this armrest, you have some space located underneath it for some storage, and you have a power outlet located down below as well. Up top you have the auto dimming rear view mirror, and then you also have the additional view for the camera here. So if you're driving down the road and you need to see exactly how close behind somebody's following you, you can do so. Integrated garage door opener controls will be located on the left hand side, settings menu over on your right, and then up top you have the power liftgate release, power sliding rear doors, SOS Connect. And taking a look now at your backup camera, as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you When you back into a stall, you can also change up the backup camera view to a more dynamic view or the traditional backup camera view you're used to. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate, now located just on your rear bumper. You're going to find your parking sensors located right across, and then on the back of the tailgate you'll find your backup camera as well as your additional camera view for the mirror, and then your rear hatch release will be located right beside that. Closing in on the rear cargo space, you have a 60-40 split for the third row, so in the event that you need the additional space, it's available to you. And if you forget how the seats fold or unfold, the instructions are located just on the back of the seat. If you need more additional space, you can fold down that second row for yourself as well, and you have some additional storage space located on the left-hand side as well. If you take a look up top on the right, you're going to find that power outlet as well. And then when you're all finished up, you can also readjust the power tailgate for yourself. So if you hold down the button for approximately 2 seconds, the height you'd like it at, it'll beep a couple of times, and when you close it and open it again, it'll open up to this height. Now if you want to reset the height for yourself, hold down the button for more than 4 seconds, it'll beep several times, and when you close it and open it again, it'll open up to this maximum height. Now as you can see, it also has the kick assist feature, so if you just kick underneath the rear bumper, it'll close for you automatically, making things a lot easier for you when you have your hands full of grocery bags or the kids' sports bags. Now this works in conjunction with your smart key system, so you want to make sure you have the key fob on you at all times. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comments section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.